I'm Doja Cat. I rap and I sing and I write music and I do stuff and stuff.
Song, still don't know what song that's from. I just know that I saw a Vine the other day and some like Indian girl was with her mom. She was like, "Sucka ticka ticka sa," and her mom was like, "Sucka ticka ticka na," and then she was like, "Sucka ticka ticka sa," and her mom was like, "Sucka what?" Just been putting this tour together and trying to figure out everything around Moo being out. And I used to like your music, but you treat your fans like